Hello, baby. I'll be the Chiaka Nema. Hi, Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share me to my now on Sakabi. Yes, I know. Dear friend, a branch of TikTok and dear friend tick. Philo be napping, yeah. Philo knew I knew how to after do a biom say. Those were the times. If you are not around, I was around. TikToks, and now when you now or you can't send me brain now. Nipa ba ko boni this a waboa no woni journey mu her excellency na mama Mcbrown oba me friend na mabuma me mu ase ama no ye kotie mra.
You know what? Anything for Nana. Into what frame here? I'm coming. Because you see, we need to put premium on certain people. She's worked her way to the top. And yes, what Tiana make no when Yansembo mean said Yansembo. Sorry. I want you people to know. Say it won't say I say no. This I'm saying it on authority. Say Mami way on your normal. What I say? Now they share new ma or free one or be say mommy CBB. What I say? We shouldn't say be an Mcbrown, but me na Mcbrown but me few my sister, but still a premium. What I say? So me fear me to say, but you Mr. but a premium. Can I pay? Oh, I mean you to about on and I'm on. They be on and now say. Nana mamu by her security and be goom fee.
Hey,
yes, because me fellow friends eba or some me bomb by at the highest level. Or some me more mudu here. We should set our mind like that. Once we're able to do that, Nana, Ghana on your entertainment industry, you know. Because you know, share they be a make a say to send Nana or beko interview and obeko baby. Me ma co interview for like only God knows how long. They be a me quite the same. Ebia o ba ebia ya hye wachi kakra we kakra sia we uniu ba ye pese etre se hwe wo na wo ba no ye appreciate you ebia celebrity blogger oba see ebe kapo say or ye celebrity blogger po onka ene ya na so a celebrity blogger enya blogger bia na celebrity
there be
what you say. So people like this akwesimonia me amiti on papa we me to chairman. Yes. Me too chairman because ejuma wa ye no.
Jai.
Senka ye ne betena se say kura. Won me drew and won de nka wo me ye. Senka yes. Ka wo me di kan kokoto no. As oni mama.
Uncle Fred, what you do so? Jai.
What you do even before you sit down.
Yes.
Because that's how
Wunya oba sono oba papa bi to send na mama Mcbrown her excellency na ofa wo branda na o say o promote brand na obi esom. I said this woman she does onye normal things. Yes, there are people who were born extraordinary, so everything that they do is extraordinary. Open nipa ba ko a wo baba we defy all odds. We defy bibia in the world. Obi a sebe baby ofinu na enye baby a sebe eye we, but we defy all odds and na obo na mama Mcbrown the okra brand no a world season world package, something that people want to buy. Yes, it was a some mommy when waboa me because and you know come here be we say unim obi ye bi ma wa remember na one acknowledge at say yakopon ye no was me kura me pa ye how much more human being TikTok when we say baby of fee and people around him who will help him. And one of the people are they be who are a benny there and then Nana Mcbrown. To share a party or your man even or inviting Nana Mcbrown. Nana man to buy no any journey and first or the buy na and ye easy. Now TikTok we are no na or beka assembly. Me person because a idea lots of musicians go through, we don't understand them. I have been around them, so I know what they think. You put him right.
Wouldn't say make sure my final exams as in SS yes. Na me tour.
Okay.
Yeah, at the same time, na me tour. Near tour from northern region near Deba. Me Obrafour, General Marcus, Charles Zamoa, and a host others. We were touring, and Unim say, "Yet me took car near the me free cran said to a doma in crow, and I drew me boss only we are. Me betron sorry. It's a member bedroom who matching." So that I can write me not car they train me. Me trory ya poor me go back to north. Car by car. Yes. By road. Anything could have happened. And sometimes yeah, I mean, for me, like, I don't know, the process was like crazy, but I believed in it. Wow. And from that time, you know, anytime I'm joining base management UK, me sound back, but joining Goodies Music Productions. And it me, you know, when I joined Goodies Music Productions, my mantle was to take the label international. You know, at that time.
That time now feature Chatula.
Yeah. Because at that time, no me blue. And in the UK, I was like a household name. Like, who Abbas Mukra now na Bonti Kray, you see whom. And yet, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it was so deep. And Goodies was like, I like shorties. I want to sign shorties. So when I sign shorties, then you have to yes. But let me tell you. But let me tell you the story behind this song. I was going to sign on to Ram Productions. And Ram Productions, it was like, no, black people be normal front my white people be. And I was going to be signed on that label together with Dasibre Jamina. For some reason, Abrofune Nuromo.
Oh.
Men so ya mame sika. That time, my mama me sika, or my sign me like 31,000 pounds, right? And my mama me like 15,000. And I'm say, whoever you want to use, do it, because make a trouble say after the MA with you kidding, I want to go back home. I want to feel the vibe, because now me create I make me because I'm surrounded by a different vibe. Oh, and it's giving me some different frequencies. So I want to come back home, feel the vibe, and produce at least 3 songs from back home. To be by, I go straight to Kumasi, Kohun Morris, and I produce Shorties and Santro Fianoma featuring Obo.
Yeah.
And then when I came back to Accra and I finished the product, I was supposed to go back to the UK. After 3 months, they will provide me with my housing, ground, driver, whatever, for me to come for a tour.
When is that?
I know the nana in Sempi.
Oh, in Sempi.
Me drive it. Me drive it from Dansuma and about Menya call. Hello, is that TikTok? They say yes, sir. Well, we are calling from UK. We are the Interpol, and we understand you signed onto a label. You've taken a chunk of the money, and we've never received the money. So you have to return the money, or we are going to come to Ghana and jack you up. Hey, I'm afraid Bolari. I'm saying, I say, Mambo, say you nan go do UK, and you might send I'm afraid or representative. No, we Ghana for no say you na momo say you na yatena so. Ti abrofo no say omodwa. Sa wo to na ne ade ne amode kom o ma cancel fear me kotena ne me bibia me the drivers bibia o ma cancel they say o mo pro musika pam no twam no say me for musika mom eh na me that time sky mu ye bibia record ye bibia ye show efia gibia di and ye dey twetwa school fees near ade scanner okay TFR strategy bi ne say okay odim certain my recording nyom ne so nim pam no twam no ye mmonyom no they say ye release nyom no na ye mpe huska Tiene Mecano Crab, Abeku Santana, Bolare, and few other names. But Abeku Santana and Bolare, they made sure that song became an anthem. Yes, they did. And
sorry.
Yes. And when the song was played, we played it back to back. So we got a call from Goodies Music. They said, look, we want Senyumwe. Obiam for production now, we wanna take it. Wana me bola friend no say Charlie. Isaac Moafro so mo penyom na se yenkoye meeting. Ye dru na say hwe pam no twa no we no kre na meka kire mo. Enwum we asem di ekiri.
Me de hoka.
First of all, mo me yenka hu skasem. Ye kan wi a mo betimi ama ye the pounds akoma abrofo no by next week because me hu pie me person bia. You can read I'm so okay, fine. We'll be able to give about 20,000, 25,000 pounds. So let's give you 15,000. Go and pay straight away. Me wopo.
Oh.
Me wopo.
Oh,
na ya this guy na omodi na abrofone saka na I said the akade ye be na the be.
Yes.
No, I'm say look, we want you to also promote the label. You know, spread the label, take it international, and the other artists. I'm like, me we nye jume bia ye ndada. Boom. And that's how come we were able to have that much success. Yeah. So there are a lot of stories, but my one has been, there's a lot of stories, but this is just the surface of it.
TikTok by no sir, not a very young guy. I remember 16, 17 years, not Colaboni, very, very young guy. And now there was ways that people will exploit him to send your canon. His childhood crowd was taken away from him. Because time now, Sabe, young guys, happy pepper girls here, we know now he was going on tour. It is a deadly Sabe childhood when yappy and no patch no. Number two, because at that time, into no sir, papa, they were not truly involved in it. Some of the managers were taking advantage of TikTok. I know there is about to happen. Nyamika Kosiane said, so who stars, sometimes they do certain things you don't understand. It's because their youth was taken away from them. A good example is me hero, Michael Jackson. His youth was taken away from him. Into a new kola one a ben who actually say what was your money and your meaning will be. But in actually say they missed their youth. It's what I wish me to be a star is sweet, but you become lonely. I Xposed GH from Mcbrown. Subscribe, share. We need 2 man now, Sakari Man West.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.